So, the first step in this process, I had to create two picture objects, one being this selfie, and the second one being this landscape portrait. I then had to create these two fairy objects so I was able to transform these pictures into what I wanted to be. So the first transformation was into the grayscale. I basically found the average of the red value, the green value, and the blue value of each pixel of these images. I then set the red, green, and blue value of each pixel to the average that was just calculated. I then wanted to transform into each pixel being one of the four values of colors that I determined. So I basically started with finding the range between the smallest grayscale value and the largest grayscale value. And then I found the subrange, which is basically the max gray value, subtract the minimum gray value divided by 4. Then I went on to using this subrange to figure out the 4 different ranges to help determine what color the pixel will transform into. So I started with the minimum plus the subrange for the first range, but then for the second range I did minimum value plus subrange times 2. And then one more time I did minimum value plus subrange times 3. I then used the else statement, which basically determined that if this pixel's grayscale value did not fit any of the ranges that I had previously calculated, then it would just make it the color that I determined it to be.